Right, cool. So, who has done any kind of lighting before? No one?
I usually stay away from
A
them.
bit? Okay, cool. So, break down this first of all. So, this is the actual desk. So, this is where you can type in all your commands and do all the bits, and this controls all of the lights essentially. So, this sends all the signals, and the lights need to go, okay, right, I need to turn on to 50% or whatever, or this colour. This is, I can't remember what the actual name for it is, but it's basically an extension to this. You can program certain colours and certain lights onto, just to make it a bit easier on yourself, rather than typing in codes. You can just be like blah 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 blah, and then this is your monitor, because this essentially works as a computer. So you have like windows on here, and you can run stuff like that. So if you just want to power it up, so that's the power button there. You've also got a mouse as well, which is pretty cool.
Mate, you'll have another one if you want.
This is what I was saying. Thank you.
Alright.
It is on Windows 7, so it does take a long time. Cool. Right, so we are now in a show state essentially. So what that means is that I've got all my cues and stuff like that from when we did a show. Cues are states, so that means basically this has gone, okay, so on Q1 you want that light, that light, that light, and that light to be up with a bit of blue in it, and stuff like that. So it's like a recording. So like when you do Helix presets, you know, you're saving the preset, stuff like that. Sort of like that. So if I was to press go through them, start to bring up some lights, start to do some bits and pieces with them. So I'm just going to bring that all down for now. So when we want to be typing in commands to get these states, everything's based around numbers. So a light will be dedicated to 1, another one will be dedicated to 2, 3, 4, 5, keep going up. There's not 150 lights in here, so the easiest way to turn everything on is to go 1 through 150, which means that everything from between 1 to 150 is being selected right now at full. So full means 100% power, you get all the power you want, mate. Enter. That brings everything up. So that's essentially all of our LEDs and all of our dimmers. If we want to turn them off, it's the other way around. So we do 1 through 150 to select all of it again at 0. That kills everything. Everything's off now. And then we can start picking up like specific lights and stuff. So we can do like 1 through 15 at full. That'll do these couple of lights here at the front. If we just want the LEDs, we do 100 through 150 at full. Pretty cool stuff, you can kind of mess around quite a lot with that. And then we move on to this. And this is the fun bit. So whenever we're doing like the FMP shows and stuff like that, that won't be based around states and cues and stuff like that. That'll all be done from here, because every song's different. So we've programmed it so there's different colours on the top row. So we've got blue, red, green, pink, white, yellow, and purple, and then also this little like wash thing, which makes quite cool. And then at the bottom, we've got different lights to come up. So we've got a spot, center, front, which isn't programmed right now, left, right, and then a wash. They're all a bit dodgy at the moment because I haven't set them up properly. We've also got straight, which isn't on right now. There we go. Yeah. So that's what an FMP show will be based around, like the music. For a performing arts one, you'll be recording and pressing go. So there's a term essentially called Go Monkey, which means that you just press go, because all the states are already made. So for instance, with this patch, if I was to bring this back down, if I was to press go, Oh, it's because there's no actual presets in here. Yeah. So in a world where I actually set up a preset, it would be changing states and stuff like that for different parts. Like, you guys have come to see some of the performing arts shows, haven't you? No? Okay.
I have.
Okay,
They
so
were very good.
Brock's come to a performing arts show. There's a lot of different lighting states. I've done up to like 150 for a show. You know, like it's mental. It takes a couple of days to cue it all in. Yeah, that's the lights essentially. Subscribe.